Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. Welcome back to the same video from yesterday. Alright, y'all. So, lots has happened since yesterday. Yesterday, I ended up getting out of that trade with a $200 gain. Nothing super crazy. It went against me, and I wasn't too happy about it. We'll talk about it later. But price has now started to fall from that area. We were originally looking at that 5204 level, so she finally broke out and started to dump. Now we waiting on her to hit TP at some point. So quick analysis: if it hits TP, I'll walk away with 8. Once she get halfway in, I will move my stop loss up into profit. Even if it's a little bit, I'll probably move it up into profit. So one thing about me now, I'm not walking away without nothing. I don't let my stuff just go back to break even. So I'm going to do that once she give me a decent sized push. News should be coming. Is it news today?
Yeah.
So news should be coming out today too. I didn't even look, honestly. Let me look at that. What news is today?
Jobs.
What time?
Job plans. Yeah.
What time?
In 4 minutes.
Oh, 4 minutes. So, and I'm on the phone with Mo per usual. I had to call Mo just to help him. Get him to help me walk through my analysis. Because one thing about trading, you will have different theories, and then sometimes you'll be kind of confused on what you should and shouldn't do. So sometimes you need an extra counsel to help you think things through. So that's exactly what I did this morning when I called Mo. I didn't think he was gonna be up, honestly. I thought he was gonna still be asleep. But yeah. So I talked to Mo this morning about a theory that we had yesterday, and just kind of make sure that we was kind of still on the same page, because gold has just been funny the last couple of weeks for good reason, but it's been funny nonetheless. And I think, honestly, like I was telling Mo, this is the first time I've ever been through this with gold. I think it happened to me one time last year in August where it was just like not the greatest, but not to this extent where it's just like it hasn't been respecting nothing in my eyes. It's been breaking zones, not respecting key levels, the whole nine. I just feel like gold's price action has not been the greatest the last few weeks. So yeah. So I've just been focused on that the last few weeks, and I haven't traded that much because, like I was telling Mo, when you trade out of survival, you start to make a lot of mistakes. And since I don't have to do that anymore, I can just be patient and wait for trades to come to me, and when they clear, I can take it. There is something that most traders usually say, usually in the beginning, that you hear a lot, is trade with the trend. I think I'm such a trade with the trend trader is insane now, because it's like, if it's not trading with the trend, I won't touch it. I'll look at it to keep up with price, but I'm not necessarily taking it. I'm straight. So the chat is doing good. They took some sales. You heard her come on down and dump, and then we should see what happens. But we're gonna see what happens when news come out. Everybody, so trade update. It took a minute to play out, but price is starting to give us some momentum. She is pushing down. Finally, we have been waiting all day. She is starting to finally drop. I'm looking for her to hit TP. Once she hits TP, I will close somewhere around 4. I am now about to move my stop loss into profit though. At least break even. So now $157 in profit. No matter what, I walk away with something. So it's in profit now, so it's a risk-free trade, but I want her to actually hit TP. One more push and I'll probably end up moving it some more. I just don't want to move it up too high because the way she's been acting. So she's been doing good. I'm currently up 5K. So yeah, so just waiting for that to happen and play out. One of the better trades I've had in the last couple weeks. So yeah, we're kind of just doing that whole spiel. So good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. Welcome back to another beautiful morning here in Dallas. It's currently 7 o'clock in the morning here, 8 o'clock in the morning, New York session. Looking to see if price can go ahead and dump due to news. We got about 5 red folders, so I'm trying to see if price is going to go ahead and drop. So we got NFP today, I think. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red folders. We got unemployment, retail sales, NFP, core, and then hourly earnings. So looking to see if this is going to go ahead and drop price down. So currently in it now, she's been respecting this area or rejecting off of this area. So she came up here once, came down, she came up here again, came down, and she came up here a third time and came down. So she's using this as a strong resistance. She's not really wanting to go up, so I'm kind of looking to see if she's gonna go ahead and push down, even though I was already looking for sales to begin with. So now we're just gonna see what is going to happen. Currently floating around $1,000. The most I was up was $1,200. So I want to see if the news gonna go ahead and like let her dump. If she go ahead and hit 4 TP, I'm looking at somewhere around 8,000. So if she hit 4 TP, $8,000 day. So that's what I'm looking to see if she's gonna go ahead and break. So she's breaking this. Like she's trying to break this first support, and then go ahead and melt after that as well. So now we're just waiting. I told the chat that that's what I was looking at these sales. So yeah, I want to see what news is gonna do for the sales. It's gonna be quick, whatever it is, because I feel like it's gonna push, so it's gonna be quick. So now I'm just waiting to see what happens if she's going to break this support. So just waiting, being patient. If she get up to a nice decent amount of profit, I'll move my stop loss into profit. So I'm currently floating 1,200, 1,300. So if she gets to like 3 to 4K, I'll bring my stop loss into profit. So that way I don't walk away with nothing. Especially like once she kind of dumped like halfway into the trade, yeah, I'll bring my stop loss down. So that's what I'm waiting on. It's currently 7:06, meaning it's 8:06 in New York. Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another day. Welcome back to another video. It is Monday morning, March 8th, March 9th, almost St. Patrick's Day. Just got up this morning, seeing this opportunity. I've been waiting on sales all day. I'm still kind of waiting on sales. I'm waiting for it to sell off. As y'all can see, I had this huge impulsive move to the downside. I had an impulse. I'm looking for this to be a correction and for this to be a continuation back down to the 0.0 level. I've been waiting on it to play out for quite some time, but it just won't play out. For whatever reason, she just don't want to fall. But talking to Telegram, talking to the chat, talking about it now. But I've been looking at it or whatever. So hopefully, I'll see her push down to the 0.0 level, and then we shall see what happens. So I'm kind of just waiting to see how this play out. She has been kind of just playing around. I kind of was up all night. I was in it a little bit, and then she turned around once, and I got in it again, then she turned around again. I said, all right, bro. So I ended up I took a trade yesterday, made 3,000. Last night, made another 4,000. So made about 7,000. This trade, I'll make somewhere between 5,000. I could add another position, but I'm not. I'm just going to let it be the 5,000 be done. And we're just gonna see what happens. I got my stop loss at the last high. So if she decides to just pull back and come back, we shall see. But currently floating about $1,100. I would like to see this at least start breaking down to this area, so I can at least be like, all right, cool, I'm good to go. So that's what I'm aiming for right now. So we shall see what happens as this plays out, and we're just gonna see what we do.